Okay, the arms on, the system. Holy crap. I'm good. That was hit by down, I think.
That was hit on down.
Hey! Dude, not me!
Hit! Hit!
Okay, Okay, this is D-Day Part 2 from Tim's point of view. Again.
Yeah. You have to constantly tighten it. Alright.
Here we go.
Ryan, ready! Go, let's go, guys.
I'm out of ammo! I'm out of ammo!
Go reload. Dude, did you see that?
Yeah, I did. I got the whole thing.
Thing almost killed me. Let's go. Right down, go. I'll go over there. You go. Oh no. Watch out. Go. Go.
Don't hit me!
Challenge hit.
Ow! That's me again!
Oh, he shoots through the tree. What the? Got a visual. Dude, I just saw a BB go right past my foot.
I know how you feel, Tim.
It was like a centimeter away.
Balls!
John Ong, everyone is over there. Try and flank him.
How much did it hurt that one?
It hurt like hell. Hit! Oh. Hit. Shot me in the leg.
Oh, okay.
Shut up.
Not as impressive as down.
Oh, that was
Is that the end? Okay, this is D-Day from Packer's point of view. The end.
Ryan, you shot me.